Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I am going to show you how we can use the vanishing point filter in Photoshop. So in this specific video I will show you how we can create a mockup using the vanishing point. So let's get started. So first we need a blank object. So I have downloaded this from freepik.com website. It's pretty easy to get and we need a design. So this is the design that I have chosen for this particular example. Now to begin with, we need an extra layer over on the top of this particular object. So I'm just going to create a new blank layer, and remember, creating a blank layer is very important, otherwise this effect won't work. So once you create a blank layer, simply go to filter and vanishing point. So here we first need to create a plane using this option, create plane tool. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create this single plane and we are going to extend it. So make sure the selection is proper. You can always zoom if it is not clearly visible. Now this looks good enough to me, and make sure before moving forward this is proper, because once we extend this selection it is very hard to change this first selection. So once you are done with the selection, or once you are happy with the selection, simply press and hold Control, and if you are using Mac then Command key, press and hold and simply drag this. Now release the Control or Command key and place it accordingly, and it doesn't have to be 100% correct, just do your best. Even though this is not 100%, this will work. Again we are going to extend the same plane, so Control or Command, press and hold and drag it downwards. As you can see, this is not 100%, but this will do. Once this is done and you are happy with the selection or the plane, simply click OK. Now move on to the design, select all, copy, again go to the, this is where the layers of the separate layer comes in handy once we are applying the blending mode. So select the blank layer again and go to filter and vanishing point. We have already created this plane. Now paste it, Control V or Command V, and using the transform tool, the shortcut is T, drag it, and you can always increase or decrease the size, and you can clearly see because of the vanishing point we can apply the same design on all sides, in this case 3 sides, otherwise we won't be able to do this. So this is done. Let me see, looks good to me. Again make sure that it's good enough. Yeah, looks good to me, and press OK. Now one more step is remaining, because as you can see this is not looking realistic. So to make it realistic we have to use the blending options. So this is where the layer comes in handy. So change the layer blending option or the blending mode. So darken, multiply, color burn. So I think linear burn and multiply is looking very good. It is looking more realistic. So between these two I will show you multiply and linear burn. So I think I'll go for multiply. Now this is looking realistic because of the shadows. So this is how we can create mockup using vanishing point. So I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.